Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I want to do a quick unboxing and review of this Acqua Profumo. So this is a 4.2 ounce bottle. So I looked up on the internet to see if there's some great reviews for this, and fortunately I saw some great reviews. Uh, Most of you might have smelt the original Acqua the eau de toilette, which was released in 1996, and I still remember the original used to be more citrusy type of a smell, more lemon, lime, bergamot type, and I think it was a great perfume for men, for young kids like me. In my teenage, we used to have Acqua on the eau de toilette, so I decided to buy this one, the Acqua Profumo, and my first impression of this was just out of this world. This perfume blew out of my mind. The perfume is very great. Uh, I think the Profumo version is way more better than the original Acqua because this one is just too good. It's long lasting, smells great. It's more masculine and is for like a mature man. If you want to go for a party or somewhere, this is a very nice perfume to wear. So let's break this perfume down and see what the notes are. So the notes for this perfume are C notes and bergamot. When you open them, you if you just smell it, there is so fresh smell, lemon smell you find over here. In the middle you get some rosemary, some sage, some geranium, and the base notes, when it dries you get a nice smell of incense, patchouli, some smokiness into it. And this is the best part I like. When it dries down, this one just smells too good, and it's a long lasting perfume. So this one will easily last roughly 7 to 8 hours easily on your clothes. If you wear it on your skin, it might last 5 to 6 hours. But for me, this perfume is a very great perfume to have it on your men's grooming kit. When I bought this, I was having my mind that do I buy it or not? I was giving some second thoughts. But when I bought it, I said this is a great choice to have. And the prices for this, if you find them on the internet for a 4.2 ounce bottle, may cost you around $150, and I think for a 2.5 ounce is roughly maybe or near $110, but it's very hard to find nowadays on markets. You may find them on some stores and maybe some discounters, but you have to be aware that there are many fake bottles of this, so buy from a genuine place. And I'm going to spray on myself. I'm telling you guys, this is just killer. This perfume is going to kill you. Is for me, it's my number one choice It's my number one choice. Acqua Profumo is a very good perfume, and yeah, it was created by a master perfumer, Alberto Morelos, uh, and this is a big name. So guys, I recommend that buy this perfume. The notes are wonderful. I mean, if you compare with the original version, you might see difference of some smokiness and woodiness into this one. While the original one was for fresh smell, you get a fresh smell in this, but it's more mature. And this is my number one choice of perfume, Acqua Profumo. Take care, guys.